solutions that connect, collaborate and grow across any space. Welcome to Optoma at ISE 2026. Discover our AI-powered mirrors driven by scan computers, combining cutting-edge technology with a vision for a sustainable future where you can see yourself as a part of it. Through our customization services backed by Coretronic and our partnership with Photon, we bring bold ideas to life, showcasing projectors in truly unexpected environments, including here where we have the world's first underwater projector. Step away from the noise of ISE and unwind in our immersive experience, where breathing helps grow a living digital garden. Created through AI and our latest Pro AV projectors, the ZK1320 and the 4K Ultra HD Ultra Short Throw Snorkel Lens. Explore our corporate solutions, including the brand new ultra-wide UWC 196 COB all-in-one LED display, which is perfect for digital signage, corporate spaces, retail solutions, and wayfinding. Explore our lamp-free projection from the Photon series, where entertainment is for anyone, anywhere, and our high-end home cinema projection. We also have our corporate solutions for boardrooms, digital signage, and Pro AV applications such as our immersive room here on the stand. See Optoma Management Suite in action, simplifying fleet management with real-time monitoring, diagnostics, broadcasting, energy-saving tools, and now API integration. Boost productivity and engagement in classrooms and in boardrooms with our Creative Touch interactive flat panel displays. Across our whole stand, you can find our digital signage solutions, and that includes our special striking tiled display setup, featuring the N-Series professional LCD displays. So visit our stand here at ISE 2026 and discover how Optoma really is the perfect partner for display solutions. From inspiration to experience, Optoma is rooted in innovation and growing together with you.